Yo, what's up? My name is DeQuarius, and thank you for tuning in. I share content that's going to help enrich your confidence, improve the quality of your relationships. In this particular topic of discussion of video, we're going to talk about this product I've been using to grow my hair, which is this Jamaican Black Castor Oil by Shea Moisture that strengthens and restores with the leave-in conditioner. It has, apple cider vinegar, shea butter, as well as peppermint oil, which is pretty good for you to be able to grow your hair out and pretty much establish a level of growth with your hair. Now, what's pretty cool is that this product doesn't have any extra preservatives or anything that's going to be harmful to your blood flow of your hair. And so I just want to just give you guys my journey with the product so far. For those of you that are just kind of getting the idea to see the type of value that this product does for you. As of right now, because of COVID and everything and me working from home, I really don't have a real reason to really be touching up at the barbershop every day. As you can see, I just pretty much, just been doing a new social experiment just to grow my hair out, see how it looks, and just try a whole new different look. So if you're in that same space, then welcome to the club, man. Just want to give you my inspiration of just in the journey to kind of encourage you if this product is legit and actually worth it. Now, I also want to also add too that tea tree is another product that you can actually utilize to help grow your hair. Tea tree oil, so that's another way to kind of get more blood flow and just help improve the quality of your hair to grow and grow a little bit faster. So I'm still working on different ways to pretty much grow my hair out and just kind of give you guys just some things that you may want to consider. Most importantly, even despite of you using these different products, you want to make sure ultimately that you take care of yourself eternally, meaning that you get proper sleep, exercise regularly if you can, and ultimately, most importantly, your diet. I can't stress this enough because a lot of times we tend to put external things on ourselves instead of working on the internal aspect, which is, like I said, taking care of your diet, making sure that you eat rich content, nutrient foods that's going to help improve your blood flow, most importantly, and also give you the vitamins and minerals it needs to help help grow your hair out in the most best performance that it can. So I always advocate drinking plenty of water. If you haven't already heard this is pretty much stuff that is pretty elementary, but it's very vital and important that you drink plenty of water. Try to stay away from sugar, processed foods, fried foods if you possibly can, and just eat a very high rich vitamin dense diet, meaning that you get your fruits, your veggies, making sure that you drinking plenty of water and eating foods that are at its natural state if you possibly can. Because again, like I said, a lot of the processed foods and stuff, if you're not taking care of yourself, the last thing that your body is going to put into your growth is your hair. So if you're putting in bad foods, processed foods, things that your body has to work extra hard to fight off to keep yourself healthy and active, the last thing that's gonna grow is gonna be your hair and your nails. So this is pretty basic stuff, things that I've been doing a lot of extensive research as I've been taking the time to improve my hair and work on my hair. But I've been really just it's definitely something that I wanted to put in in perspective, that what's going to help increase my chances of actually getting the best results as far as my hair. So right now I've been growing it for the past 7 months now. I literally, in the beginning of the year, I just made the conscious decision. I said, you know what? Instead of me taking so many trips going to the barbershop, and that's just another thing. I haven't really found the best barber in my area. Like, man, finding a good barber is like finding a good spouse. Like, man, it's so difficult to find like a good, decent barber these days, man. So it's just me just basically trying to find a good barber, and then on top of that, just consistently going, only to be disappointed every week. I just say, what, bump it. I'm going to just figure out how to grow my own hair. And since I'm at home anyway a lot, I'm going to just go ahead and just, test this experiment and just see how it looks for me, honestly. So I'm really just been vibing with it, just really just taking the time to just experiment on different products and different natural remedies to really just help my hair grow in the best form of possibility. So I will be documenting this journey for you guys, just for those of you that are in the same place, just really wanting to see how this product actually works. So far, so good as far as me testing it out. I like the fact how well and good it smells. That's the most important thing. Like, it smells pretty good. It doesn't smell processed. You can smell the castor oil, which I actually use independently on its own. And castor oil is a really good moisturizer just for, hair growth, moisturizing your face. And because the water and where I am is pretty hard, it's just good to stay, nutrient as far as just oily and moisturized. That's the word I'm trying to say. Stay moisturized. As far as just the fact that if you live in an area where your water is pretty hard, you want to stay moisturized. And that's even, again, goes with your hair. Your hair has to stay moisturized as much as possible. Most importantly, do not, rinse or wash your hair, every single day, or every other week. Every other day. You want to try to do it at least once a week, just to kind of help your hair, build its own moisturizing and oil, to keep it, healthy. And one of the things is that you just want to avoid altogether is that breakage. So if you're not taking good time to let your hair, build its own moisturizer and oil inside the hair itself, then it's going to help, it's going to cause breakage if you're, cleaning it or washing it, shampooing it every single day, right? So, for the most part, guys, this is just me just testing out the product. It's definitely, it's pretty, I try to add as much as, conditioner in my hair as I can. As the most part, it doesn't hurt to add more moisturizer, and conditioner in your hair, because at the end of the day, it's not going to really make, a big deal. The more, the better. At the end of the day, you can't go wrong with it, just because throughout the day, you're pretty much leaving it in, and it's going to do its work, just because you got that castor oil inside of your hair, and then you have the peppermint oil, which is really good, and then again, the other minerals and vitamins that's inside of the conditioner itself is going to do its work as it's working. So typically in a situation, what I like to do is I like to add some, first thing in the morning when I wake up, and then right before I go to bed, just so therefore it can do its magic, and just work while I'm sleeping. So therefore, I'm just keeping my hair moisturized as much as possible. That's really just kind of the name of the game when growing your hair. So I'm pretty impressed just what I've been able to do so far, just in these last 6-7 months now of me growing my hair as of the time of this video. So I'm definitely going to keep you guys tapped in as far as how it's going for me, as I'm still learning and discovering my hair, and growing my hair out. I just want to kind of give you guys an encouragement to say this is definitely giving me a stamp of approval of this product. I definitely can say it's worth the value, and you can get this product pretty much any retailer, or at the link below here, a recommendation on Amazon. It's fairly inexpensive, I must say. So I just wanted to give you guys, my recommendation of this product that's been helping me with growing my hair. So if you want to, just get more tips on self-care, improving your self-confidence, and improving the quality of your relationships, definitely make sure to tap in and subscribe to the channel, as I'm going to be doing giving you guys value and content on things that has helped me in life, but also have helped others. So definitely hit that like button and subscribe if you like the content. I'll make sure to hit you guys up with more content. God bless.